Join me as I dive deep into the world of Tesla stock and try to predict if it's about to explode. Tesla's stock is undoubtedly one of the hottest topics in the investment world, with its recent volatility making it a thrilling ride for investors. But despite the ups and downs, many believe that Tesla's growth prospects are still untapped, making it an attractive option for those looking to get in on the action. Competition is definitely one of the biggest challenges Tesla faces. With more and more players entering the electric vehicle market, the competition is heating up, and it's becoming increasingly difficult for Tesla to maintain its market share. And let's not forget the recent price war, which has put a lot of pressure on Tesla's margins. Additionally, market volatility is another significant factor that can impact Tesla's stock performance. With global economic uncertainty on the rise, investors are becoming increasingly cautious, leading to wild swings in the market. And Tesla's stock, being as volatile as it is particularly susceptible to these fluctuations. Furthermore, economic factors such as interest rates, inflation, and GDP growth can also have a significant impact on Tesla's stock price. For instance, a rise in interest rates can make borrowing more expensive, leading to a decrease in consumer spending, which can negatively impact Tesla's sales. On top of that, Tesla's very own production levels and delivery numbers can also have a significant impact on its stock price. If the company fails to meet its production targets, it can lead to a decrease in investor confidence, causing the stock to plummet. Moving on, let's talk about some of the recent developments that could influence Tesla's stock price. The company has been making some significant strides in terms of new product launches, with the Cybertruck being one of the most highly anticipated releases of the year. And with its futuristic design and impressive specs, it's no wonder that investors are bullish on the stock. Tesla's financial results have also been impressive, with the company posting a surprise profit in its last quarter. And with its growing revenue and increasing profitability, it's clear that Tesla is on the right track. Market trends are also playing in Tesla's favor, with the growing demand for electric vehicles and sustainable energy solutions. As governments around the world implement stricter emissions regulations, electric vehicles are becoming increasingly popular, and Tesla is poised to be one of the biggest beneficiaries of this trend. According to many experts, Tesla's stock is poised to continue its upward trend, driven by its growing revenue and increasing profitability. In fact, some analysts are predicting that the stock could reach as high as $1,000 per share by the end of the year. Of course, not everyone is bullish on Tesla's prospects. Some analysts believe that the company's valuation is still too high, and that the stock could be due for a correction. But overall, the consensus seems to be that Tesla's stock has a lot of upside potential. So what does it all mean for investors? Well, it's clear that Tesla's stock is still a high-risk, high-reward play. But for those who are willing to take the risk, the potential rewards could be significant. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on Tesla's future in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more insights into the world of finance and investing.